Hi, this video tutorial will demonstrate how to set up student assignment submission in Moodle. In so doing, first you have to go to your unit page, then you click the Turn Editing On. Now you see all the orphan activities underneath your assessment summary page. So from there, if you scroll down, you will see that specific sign, which is a square with an arrow in it, and that's the sign of Turnitin embedded assignments. So when the students submit their assignment in this link, it will go through Turnitin and it will generate the similarity report and other report for you and for your students. And the student has got the time, maybe a week or the way you set it up, to submit the assignment, look at the similarity report, and then resubmit it till the due date. So when the due date is over, they can't resubmit, but before the due date they can submit for multiple times and see their similarity checks. And that's a good way for the students to check the similarity and submit their final assignment actually when they're ready. Again, if you look into this specific unit, you can see there are like couple of Turnitin assignment links. So what's been done, for every assignment there is a specific link for Sydney campus, Sydney students, and there's another link for the Melbourne students. And if you have got multiple assignments, that every assessment or every assignment submission has got corresponding links. To edit or set up the due date and the assessment submission date and the assessment feedback date, what you need to do, you click the edit button, click the edit setting. So the edit screen popped up. With that, most of the setup are like default setup where you don't need to change many items, but in some of the areas are important to change. A good thing is, like, you can find a question mark here, and when you click the question mark, there is a help tool next to the question mark, so then you can get an idea like what this specific function will do. If you scroll down, so like put it like any submission time, number of parts, you can keep it like 1, 2. This specific assignment has got two submission part. One is the PowerPoint slides and another one is their self-reflective summary. That's why I put it as 2. Then allow submission of any time. It's good to keep it yes. Then display original report to the student. Of course, yeah, the student should be knowing it. A good idea to keep it as a percentage so the student really know how much they got out of 100, or as a percentage. Then keep it as a default yes, automatically refresh original score and grade. So every time the student submitting, the original score and the grades would be there. Then it's a good idea to keep this blank and not to check it. Then you can set up the grades. You can set up the maximum points for this specific task, which is 15. Then grade to pass, 50% is the pass, so you put 7.5. The most important area is the due date, start date, and post date. So if you'd like to make a start date where the student can submit assignments, so this assignment starts from week 7. So given that, I'm putting it on 29th of August, which is a Monday, the first day of week 7. So click here. Then August, it's August 29, so I'm putting it 29. Then the due date, the presentation would continue till the end of the trimester, so I'm putting it as week 13, which is 16th of October. That is a Sunday, so I'm putting it as 16th of October. Depending on your assignment, you can set whatever the due date and the start date, post date is suitable for you. So I'm putting it as October 23. So that's a Sunday. You can set up the time, the start from very early of the day. Then you set it up as the end of this day, and then the post date should be after the due date. This is the date where the student can see their